How to convert PDF to Word on mobile easily. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can convert PDF to Word document on your mobile really easily. Now before we begin, if you are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified for when we release our new videos. Now let's just jump right into it. So you can easily convert PDF to Word on mobile using your MS Word. So it's really simple. If you don't have MS Word on your mobile, just go to your Play Store, search for MS Word. Let me search for MS Word, and after you find the app, install it. After you've installed your Microsoft Word, you can go ahead and locate the app and then open it up. After you've opened up your Word, what you'll need to do is open up the PDF file in which you want to convert to the Word. After you've opened it up, you'll find the edit option on the top. Tap on the edit option, and as it says, to edit this, you'll need to convert the PDF into Word. So simply tap on OK, and it will start converting it to the PDF, to the Word document. And there we go. You now have a Word document of the PDF that you just converted. And it's that simple. And that's how you do it, guys. And that is all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos. And bye-bye. Take care.